Barrie in the final minute of the extra session. MacKinnon comes to get it, lost the handle. Ovechkin's there, straight ahead, breakaway, chance to win. Closing, off the head fake, score! Kuznetsov brings the curtain down in DC.
Kuznetsov was a man on the mission. The season set is over. Both Capitals victories, both with the same count and both in overtime. A miscue by the Avalanche, and it's a jailbreak for the Caps. And Kuznetsov made this look easy. There's a play down low. Their big boys were gassed. There's no way even MacKinnon, with the speed he has, late in the shift's going to catch Kuznetsov. He opens up the wickets, and the Caps are victorious here on home ice once again. Kuznetsov, with a sick pair of hands, wins it for the Caps. One more look of the isolation here tonight. The Caps win it 4-3.
4:12, the time of the overtime tally. Kuznetsov